Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have a new release from Planything. Really excited about this because this is my first fall release sticker books items that I'm going to be flipping through this year. So yeah, very excited to see some fall stuff because I'm so ready for fall. Love fall. And I'm very excited for these new sticker books. So we have two sticker books, Fantastic Fall. This has 15 sticker sheets. Actually, they both have 15 sticker sheets, and Spooky Season. And then I have tons of washi. I use a lot of Planything's washi because they're like the perfect neutral patterned washi, and then with fun colors. And there's some really fun like Halloween fall colors and patterns and stuff. So I'm going to share all the items, and then I'm going to probably do a plan with me featuring one of these books and trying to use the washi and all that. But if you're interested in purchasing, I will have Planything linked down in the description. I'll have all the info on when this stuff is available to purchase. It should be available today to purchase, so definitely check out those links. And I also have a 10% off code if you want to purchase from this new release. So let's actually go over the washi first because there's quite a bit of washi. We have lots of patterns. There's scallops. Oops. There's like a grid pattern. There's a like chevron pattern. I really love this spider web pattern. I have them all rolled out, so I'm going to show them a little bit closer. I just want to do a little overview, more of the grid, some stripe, hexagons, some little banners. So yeah, tons of washi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like 16 washi rolls. And usually, I think you can buy these separately. It's not like you have to buy the whole set or anything. You can pick and choose which ones you like. So here are all of the washi rolls all rolled out. So we have 4 different scallop ones. And these are really pretty like fall tones. Then we have the grid with the black lines, and then grid with the white lines. A nice stripe. Here are the little chevron stripes, hexagons, and the banners, and then the spider webs. So those are all of the washi rolls that are being released in this release. Okay, and now I'm just going to flip through the sticker books next. So we have Fantastic Fall. Let me actually move my desk up. It's a Fantastic Fall, and we have some really nice fall houses. These are all clear stickers, some fall trees, leaves and acorns and mushrooms. We got some girls with some fall florals, then some boxes and bullet points of the functional page. I love this fall girl, the autumn girl. So cute. A Thanksgiving page. And then some leaves. This one's really cool because they're animals, but they have like little scenes in them. You can see the trees and some birds flying around. That's a really cool effect. Okay, so we got some animals. And then the boxes. Pumpkins, some fall scenes, and some fall buildings, and then the functional boxes. And then last we have some really nice fall quotes. So hello fall, give thanks in all things, hello pumpkin, fall breeze and autumn leaves. Oh, I really like the circle one. That's really cool and different. Fall fun, happy Thanksgiving. I'm really loving the quotes in this book. That one's really, really pretty. Okay, so that's Fantastic Fall. Again, this is a 15-page sticker book on that one. And then next we have Spooky Season. I love Halloween, so I'm excited. I probably will be doing a spread with the Halloween because I'm like itching to do a Halloween themed spread. So we have these fun, cute little ghosts with pumpkins. And we got more spooky kind of pumpkins here. And then more of the ghosts, some skeletons, some houses decorated for Halloween. And then the boxes. And all the treats, the Halloween treats. That one's fun. And then more houses, some trees, So cute. Ooh, I love this theme. The flowers with the spider webs. Such a pretty theme. Boxes. Open this up. Oh my goodness, the little kitty ghost is cute. And kitty pumpkin. Oh, this one's cute too. I love the like cartoony look. The cat, of course. Adorable. And then we got some ghosts and their cute little hats. And then boxes. And again, love the quotes. Halloween, boo, eat, drink, and be scary. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. Beautiful. Super cute. So that's a fun Halloween themed book. And then the fall book. So cute. Again, if you're interested in purchasing, these are going to be available today to purchase. So definitely check out that link and my discount code in the description. All right, now I'm just going to do a quick little plan with me featuring, like I said, I want to do a Halloween spread. So I'm going to focus more on this book. And then, of course, I got all this washi that I could probably pick a couple rolls to add into a spread. So let me get some pages and I can get started on that plan with me. I have some Simply pages. I'm just gonna grab some pages and do a little spread. The Simply layout is only this side of the page. It's like the dashboard, but only the right side because it's simple. So it's just gonna be this sheet right here. So let's see, which one do I want to do? Because they're all really adorable. So I really like this one. This one's fun. And I feel like this will be nice to mix with the washi. Different boxes. Oh, and then I have all these fun colors here. Yeah. I'm gonna go with this thing because I think this one will be nice to use in a spread. Okay, so, and then I got all these fun washi options to choose from. So I'm gonna go, I actually like that it's all like rolled out on a sheet. It's just easy to like pick and choose which one will work. And I kind of want to go with this purpley one. Probably put a couple of rolls because I feel like this Halloween spread can handle some pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna put some washi. Ooh, I ripped it. Not bad. Let me do that again. Well, I don't want to rip it again, but all right. So this is gonna go here. It's gonna act as like my ground, my street, I guess, because I want to put the house down. Okay, so let's grab the house next. And I'm just gonna put it in the middle because I can still like write plans here, so that's good. And that's just like a nice focal point for this spread. Okay, so let me move on to some boxes next. Got lots of nice options here. And I like to mix some of these shapes together like this. And then I could put something on the corner. Let's grab like one of these, like maybe this ghost cookie. Put the ghost cookie there. Okay. So let's do this here. Ghost cookie here. Okay, and then more treats. I love this little vampire cake pop. Super adorable. Okay, let me get a box. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna do the orange one. I can put them on top. And let's do I'm gonna do a black box over here. Maybe like a circle there. Oops. I want to put something here. I kind of like this, but actually I'm thinking more, these drinks are funny. These little drinks. And I'm going to put some more washi down next. So we'll kind of stack these together. Stick the drinks there. Okay, I'm going to move on to washi for a little bit. Thinking, let me add this piece down here, and then I'll pick a new one. Okay, so I should probably grab like, ooh, actually, let me see. I like the orange, maybe the orange stripe. Let's do this one. And I feel like I need some here too. Yeah. Okay, I really like that. That's fun. Some nice pattern around and color and all that. Looks good. I want to add some quotes. I have this fun Boo one. This one's cute because it looks like donuts. And it says Boo. So we're just going to stick that here. And then I can add a box also. I'll grab this purple one. Stick that here. All right, and then I also want to grab a couple of these quotes, maybe. Let's do this: eat, drink, and be scary. Let's stick that here. And then I want to stick this trick or treat one down here. All right, and then the last thing I want to do is add a couple of bullet points. Okay, I feel like I need maybe like orange over here. So I can do a couple of dots. And these are like the perfect size bullet points, in my opinion. Love that size. I'm gonna stick another purple. No, I'm gonna do black. Can do one here, and then I might do one here too. Let's do purple. Okay. And then I think that's it. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's see, is there anything else I want to add? Maybe this little pumpkin lollipop can stick over here, coming off the page. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. Okay, super adorable. Love how that turned out. So fun. And again, I love Halloween spreads. I'm excited. We're almost to that season where I can actually make my spreads, my Halloween spreads. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, that's going to be it. That one's a fun book. Definitely a good one to pick up if you're looking for some Halloween stickers. And then, of course, we have Fantastic Fall. And, of course, this washi. Love, love, love all the colors here. This one I already know is going to be, like, one of my new favorites because I love that, like, pale pink color. But they're all, like, really, really good. So, love that. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Remember, these are available to purchase today, so definitely check out that link and discount code. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.